Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own vegetable stock updated. Start by gathering carrots, onions, celery, garlic, herbs, and vegetable trimmings, then roughly chop for even extraction. Lightly toast vegetables if you want a richer flavor, then place everything in a pot and cover with cold water. Bring to a gentle simmer, skim foam regularly, simmer for 45 minutes to 1 hour, then strain and cool quickly. Choosing the right vegetables sets a great foundation for stock. Use carrots, onions, celery, garlic, leek greens, and trimmed herb stems to build sweetness, aroma, and body. Add mushroom stems or tomato scraps for extra umami when you want more depth. Avoid bitter brassicas and starchy potatoes to keep clarity and flavor focused. Small additions like a strip of kombu or dried chili can add subtle complexity without overpowering the base. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so we can keep creating useful content. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It makes cooking time more fun and hands-free for timers and recipes. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to pick one up or see savings. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Simmer gently to extract flavor while keeping the stock clear and clean. Maintain a low simmer for about 45 minutes to 1 hour, skimming foam and impurities during the early stages to prevent cloudiness. After simmering, strain through a fine sieve or cheesecloth, pressing gently to capture liquid without solids. Cool the stock quickly, then refrigerate up to 4 days or freeze in portions for longer storage, and always label containers with the date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.